South Korean defense giant Hyundai Rotem officially registered the design of its next-generation main battle tank, the K3, with the Korean Intellectual Property Office, marking a significant milestone in the evolution of armored warfare. The K3, also referred to as the next-generation main battle tank, NG-MBT, is set to replace the acclaimed K2 Black Panther and introduces groundbreaking features, including a hydrogen-powered propulsion system and advanced stealth capabilities, aimed at addressing the challenges of 21st-century battlefields. At the heart of the K3's innovation is its propulsion system, which sets it apart from any other main battle tank in development worldwide. Hyundai Rotem plans to introduce a hybrid diesel-hydrogen system in the tank's initial variants, transitioning to a fully hydrogen-powered model by 2040. The K3's armament further underscores its futuristic design. The tank will feature a remotely operated, fully automated turret equipped with a 130mm smoothbore main gun, a significant upgrade from the 120mm gun used on the K2 and the NATO-standard tanks like the US M1 Abrams. This larger caliber, which aligns with developments like Germany's Rheinmetall RH-130L51 gun seen on the KF-51 Panther demonstrator, is designed to deploy next-generation kinetic energy penetrators and high-explosive rounds, including South Korea's locally developed K279 series ammunition. The automated turret, supported by an autoloader with a reported 3.5-second reload time, reduces the crew to 3 members: driver, commander, and gunner, housed in an armored capsule at the front of the hull for enhanced protection. Protection is another area where the K3 aims to excel. The tank's hull will incorporate a modular armor system made of steel, ceramics, and composite materials, designed to withstand a range of threats. Advanced Active Protection Systems, APS, and a Directional Infrared Countermeasure, DIRCM, system will enhance its defenses against heat-seeking missiles and top attack munitions.